Hello viewers, Mami Mapao gi nifuga marirak shuba episode asida pumna makpu taram okchari amadi mamang episode kidamakta mayamna thambirak kiba feedback amadi suggestion singi damakta su hainingai leitana thakata phongdokchari ngasigi episode asida pujarakli ba mapao singasi kari lo haibadu thamjige ahanbada Arts and Infal Pre-Festival 2019 haina mingthonba International Arts Festival amagi mangoina na pangthokhiba jamming session gi mapauna ahanba oina thamjari Anishibu oina thamjari Langoi haina mingthonba film gi yaifathoni pangthokhiba gi mapau Ifot film gi yaifathoni gi mapauna ahumsubu oina thamjari Marishuba sina Impact TV Cookie channel gi anniversary pangthokhiba gi mapauni Manipur feature film Manjin Nangbu release tawkibagi mapauna mga subo oina thamjari Taruk shuba amadi ngasigi aroiba mapau asina ama wowagi foundation dega mari leinana liglang pareng haina mingthonba isai naumai gi thoram pangthokibagi mapauni So folks hawjik ngasigi ahanba mapau oina thamjari ba Infal da pangthokadaba Arts and Infal International Arts Festival 2019 gi mangoinana mapan laibaki artist sing laktuna performance utkibagi mapau asi ni intamasi
Arts and Infal haina mingthonba International Art Festival 2019 gi mangoinana Switzerland gi maming leraba musician ani saruk yaduna jamming session sing tha sig hoki batang tara mapan amadi kunda matai garden amadi Infal ibnu gi saruk amoina kangla gi nungchuk thangba sanathong pangthokre Workshop amaga loinana Haingang Assembly constituency gi Matai Garden the pangthokiba thauramda Switzerland gi baruk a violin artist regular Schwab amasung vast clarinet artist Kuchian Devus na pigliba angang singda violin gi kangdul sing takpi tambiki Thauramadu marilena artist Aniashina Swiss Art Council Cultural Exchange Program gi sarku moina Manipur lakui khudong chaba fangbada nungai ba phongok ga loinana workshop asida saru yariba creative potential leba lamdam asigi artist singa pun loina ba phangba asina khongchat asibu hena magul lehelli hana phongdokhi
Lamdam asigi arts bu khoida jaba singda anaubu inopi gadaba festival ama soidina oigani mai pakna pangthok bu oishin haina thamjiki ngasigi ani shuba mapau oina thamjari ba Wang Motion Pictures and Iron Ball banner gi makhada nauna puthokadaba Langoi haina mingthonba film gi yaifathoni pangthokibagi mapau asi amuk ni ingtaminasi
Wang Motion Pictures and Iron Ball gi banner makhada Langoi haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film ama puthokna magidamag tha sig hoki batang tara humdoida nambol leima pokpam mayai lekai di yaifathoni thoram pangthokre
Hayaya hising phuyung lain ko adingong maru sida yai bi yal hongai dagi amam lai chana
na produce tawgadaba Langoi haib film si aiga ahan boy na walk to minagadoine director Manoranjan Longjam maga ahan boy na film sida walk to minagadoine yam nungaine na khalle duga masamaksu yamna thawai yawba adegi yam confident laiba dugumba promising director amane haizaningi duga film sigi producer da Amarjit Sanasham mukhoy gi so han production oigadoribane the film se hujik production site gi haibada hujik yam happening oi yam chatnariba society sida chatnariba crimes adagi thabak thoram sida yamna related oba film amakak mayamda afaba message piba ngamba film amakak ti oigini haina yamna thazana producer gi site gi so khoida chawa thazaba piri khoina kadai phawa contribute tawba kadai phawa ngamgadabano habdo khoi gi site gi mo hotnagani na khalle
Manoranjan Longjamgi lamjing lamtak makhada puthokkatoriba film ase Asem Nawang amadi Amarjit Sanasamanina puthokkatori Anil Longjamna screenplay gi thodang lawgadori loinana Tarun Wangna cinematography ki thodang lawgadori film asida Boni Bala Ten Subam Danny Ojit amadi Suraj na chingba kayana Mamiro isingoina saktam langgadori
film language haibase ai saki oinadi ani suba project ne aduga film gi genre je mainly crime da based of haitare koi gi lariba system je gi amot pa haita corruption degi drugs adumagi matang da based of movie ne
Language hariba film asi tasenamak amna naha singi anova venture amani khongjang amani boni amsung tado henduna ramdam sigi sagang rabi miyamgi actor balla makoi ni na chauba support piraga naha jing ko ba anova khongjen sida aikoi punna saru yamina gadobani film bu pamjo miyam da film si amtuna yang handana achau mai pago film osinu haidna ayong sema mo pu yo sinjaraga miyam punamakta paujal si thamjai thank you
Manoranjan Longjamgi film asi mai pakna puthokpiduna khunai asida kanareba paujel kaya puba film ama soidena oibirau Langoigi matungda hojek ifut film yaifa thauni asi abok kamdobuno haibadu yengi
Boniam Tokchom Films BTF ki banner makhada puthokadaba ifut haina mengthon ba Manipuri feature film amagi yaifa thauni ki thoram thas igi hoki batang taramapan irai numita Imphal gi chingmairong de leba classic grande de pangthokrai ifut harba feature film ase herojit nauroibamna masama ki wari amadi screenplay da masama lamjing lamtak tuna khutma ba anirak suba film oigadori Tourism Corporation of Manipur ki chairman MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Film Forum Manipur ki chairman S. Mangoljau, MSFDS ki secretary Dr. Hamom Naban Chingba, Lamdam Masigi Saknai Bakana Sarugyaduna, Yaifa Tony Pangtok ki film Masida, Boniam Mamadi Bala Anina, Maruiba Mamiro is singing Saktam Langduna Miam Pukning Sumat Kadori.
KBS Art Movers Authorized Dealer JCB India Limited represents Toduna Bonem Tusum Films na Putoliba Ifut Drive Films na handaki Bonem Tusum Films ko ina humlag suba production ni aduga film sidagi something triangle love story di oigane do triangle love story da hanagi mawong oidaba triangle love story makak sidagi hangane aduga especially cinema ki theme si respect woman haibane
Ifut hariba film si aigi ani suba direction ne script di aigi script budi Boniam Bala hana yamna act tawkre adubu aina direction pibagi oinadi mokoi ani gapun ga torbi si handaki film iput sidana han bane Boniam chi aina anuba saktam moina phajana yektu oga haibadi aiba haibachina artist amu phawhan bagi yam chawba thodang am khak lawi aduga loinana direction ga laksari basiga pula kanda aina aigi film chi soidana mai pak kadaba film amani haina dumaina khanjai
Oja Herojit Nauroibam gi warida masamakna direction pigadawi ba film soidana mai pakkani haina thamjage. And viewers, now it's a time for a short little break. We will be back soon. Welcome back, mayamba amukka na taram okcheri. Ngasige mari shubu oina thamjeriba Impact TV Cookie Channel gi anniversary asi amuk mining taminasi.
Hi, I'm Tenzing and we're here at the celebration of our first anniversary for Impact TV Cookie Channel. So, Strela.
Hi everyone, I'm back. Basically, not that back, but little back. Okay, so I see a lot of celebrities and people who are related to entertainment and education, all from the cookie community. So I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, and of course, also all the stars from the cookie film industry also. So we also have someone else here with us. So she'd like to say something.
Hi, it's Daniel here, and Mami Mapao will give you all the highlights regarding today's event.
So here we are, our Mami Mapao team and also the whole Impact TV crews to celebrate the first anniversary of Cookie channel of Impact TV. So let's go inside and see what are the special events and highlights of the event.
Impact TV ki sharuka moiriba Impact TV Cookie Channel na miyam gi thogal torpa chahi ama mapung farakpa gi thoram harau tayam gi loina na mapung fana pangthokre kumon thoram ase tha sigi hoki batang taramari da jingmairong dalaiba Tribal Research Institute DRI da pangthokki bani khailun khongchai na puthoki ba channel asigi sahi gi thoram da lenga ki minister Syam Kumar Manipur Police ki IGP Clay Khongsai IPS BSNL Manipur region ki General Manager J Lunkim ITS amade Impact News Editor-in-Chief Yumnam Rupachandra na chingma kyasu sarubyaki.
Sige akogi chahi ama sujelakpa have the first anniversary of Cookie Indigenous Channel Impact TV gi asida ngasigi chief guest oibeba akogi Pawung Syam Kumar Honorable Minister so election bireng
Impact TV gi Cookie Channel have tara Cookie Channel gi se chahi ma pharapagi magi mabo kolon kumon haitare magi advisory se akoina kangi madudi akoina malem je ise se kogi media ji yaudrakadi government thamo thau mayam ji akoina koi makuma pangthobangam media na focus arokan government policy me amji media na focus tawba ading mu praja gi apam amji media focus arokan da hale kan da ani ma si samatri chatla kan da koi thabu tawun ana koi jati ji koi makhan am tamina bina Cookie language da Cookie tribe ki sum lon da chenen ji phajana si sandok pai base si lamdam ma gi amadi tariba le pas gi ading ma sakhana ba khudam man
Cookie ki channel si kaktana tana akogi atopa lairiba dialect mayam sigi Manipur ga leiba dialect mayam sigi channel sing su thula agadi Pawung sine hena phagani na khanbi bro kaman si wapam de kai lebi
adudi kwai de phabane
Impact TV se yeng bibra adugi Impact TV si dak akoina hena improvement kari lahaning ba Pawung gi oiba suggestion khara leibi ga dikhatam biro
Impact TV se adum yenge ai adum yam phajana sang na yeng Impact TV adu yam ngai Impact TV si leiba ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯇꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯡꯗꯝꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯇꯦꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯤꯚꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ I can say proudly that to compare the other international and national media, akwai impact TV nopte hai.
Sir, most welcome to our first anniversary of Kuku Engineering channel, sir.
I'm very happy to be here to celebrate the first anniversary of the Cookie channel because media is very important and as you know it is one of the 4 pillars of democracy. We have the executive, the legislative and the judiciary, and the media is supposed to be the 4th estate which gives the facts to everyone, to the public, everything, and it is supposed to be the balancing factor. And for this, Impact TV has taken a very great role, especially with this Cookie channel, because Cookie community, since they are residing in different parts of the hills, I find it very interesting, and what I have commented, it is based on what I have been watching. And this, sometimes they have interviews and they discuss some important topics, and they have interviews with people from different walks of life who are successful, and this is very encouraging for all of us. It is for everyone, especially in our small tribal community. And I think this channel will be able to bring the hills and the valley people together.
I'm here with Mr. Paulin Kom, who is an actor in the Cookie community, and I'm really excited to meet you, sir. How are you?
Fine, really excited.
So how do you feel about this first anniversary celebration?
I don't know how to start my gladness. I'm very excited. I'm very happy for the Impact TV giving us a Cookie channel. So I'm very excited.
Okay. So how many films have you worked on, like recently, or
I can't say exactly, but maybe around 11 like that.
That is seriously very nice. Alright, so are you interested in any other thing apart from acting?
Yeah, sometimes I sing.
Awesome. Do you have a record of your own, or?
Sometimes I'm a bathroom singer, and sometimes in church program I sing. This Impact channel give us development and give us unity all the community of Manipur. I'm very excited.
Hello guys, I'm here today with a very important person. It is Paunio Haukip. So sir, how do you feel?
I feel great and I feel so good, I should say.
Is there any improvement you want to see in Impact TV Cookie channel?
See, yeah, regarding Impact, everything I should say, something like Tantha or something like a talk show between actor, actress, or some actor like popular actor Sadananda, or some singer like Sorry Senzameno, taking apart from such kinds of entertainment channel which was conducted by Impact. It's really encouraging for us to conduct such type of interview for Manipuri, and as long as along with all those Cookie actor, actress and some other different communities in Manipur like Nagas also. So I was really excited to watch that.
How do you feel about the first anniversary celebration of Impact TV Cookie channel?
Impact Cookie channel first anniversary, because of my heartiest congratulations to my friend Khailun, a producer of Cookie channel. I just came here to take part and meet with you guys and have some sort of interview. Congratulations and thank you. Long live Impact TV Cookie channel.
Yes, I would like to wish the people that we have Cookie Impact TV, and we have been celebrating this first anniversary day. I'm very glad to be here, part of this as a Cookie gospel singer.
So have you had any kind of albums release of yourself, and would you mind telling us how many of it?
Yes, I've released only one album, and then in group I've joined only one. I think it's 2 in total, yeah.
So 2 albums. So would like to, if given chance in future, would like to come and sing some of the Manipuri gospels or Manipuri songs. Do you have any wish of that?
Yes, if it is a gospel, I'm ready. I'm ready to perform. Yes.
So
mai hi pakai chu va chui na thang va na ma a Zion mo sang chunga kon lo pi na teu te a ang sunga bo khum in ta lo ding in ka ong tai ka salen tai stan ai cham lai sa ta ka ong tai ka salen tai hinan ai hen da lo ding
khô tùy băng lông in tỏ ni zong chỉ hay lối gì ta hầm răng thân na bắt thiên vang bu ít chân nào hi a lâu pi nam pi a dia lai tan impact tv cookie channel zong zini nâu bang chan em selin nam pi a din hung don ti mo.
What do you feel about the first anniversary celebration of this channel?
No, see, now Cookie channel is just I think 1 year ago, and I think it is improving a lot, and we have activities like talk show, and we have now recently launched cookie discussion. So these are having a lot of significance and have so much impact. I think there is a lot of change coming up with Impact TV. Despite of Impact TV being starting since last 3-4 years, and it is coming out with many important programs. Impact TV are giving the opportunity for the cookie people. So this we are very much thankful, on behalf of the cookie community.
Then how did you feel being in the field first time?
Yeah, it's very exciting and I got to see a lot of new things.
Yeah, the music and songs, it was so exciting. Cookie channel lama sum the Impact TV the hapchan base kai hana phau bi ke.
Sana Cookie channel lama Impact TV yarak pas haidi Manipur da lariba community sing se haidi akhoi mayam na khangda bas leidana adamoina saman Impact ki through da sangak pas akhoi all through Manipur loina ma uba phange asi yamna kana bane haizai aduga
also cookie gi hana khangam da ba music oiro dagi film oiro koi sigi maram dagi sigi through dagi khangba ju phange na yam nungai ibani makta gi yam nungai
nungai aduga atopa community sing su sumaina thokpir o haina koina request tawzari.
Alright, that was all we have for the event today, and this is Trella
and Daniel
and
Tenzing with cameraman Derek. So you're watching Mami Mapao. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Cookie channel ga mari leinaba khuding makta anniversary wish pijari matam sang na miyam gi thobal tawba ngambo oibiu. Ngasi ga manga subu oina thamjariba manjanangbu haina mingthonba Oja Raj Mani Kunjam bagi wari da pankhatpa film ama release tawkhibagi mapao asi amuk miting tamide.
Iraba Pictures production puthokpa manjanangbu haina mingthon Manipuri feature film ama tha si yaukiba tang kunda Deputy Chief Minister Y Joy Kumar haunabi matungina release tawduna miyam da saphongkhre.
Phammo ipak sidai ran thokpiramage nang mafam zamo lakanuko
adudi nang chakro aidi nang ubu phangnaba ai mafam sida nang ngairamage
Palace compound leba MSFDS ki changkola auditorium da release tawkiba feature film asigi editor amadi VFX ki tawdang Henry Salam na Lowry cinematography ki Sin Ana Shurchan amadi Dhana ani na pangli Jiten Khaidemna music ki shintha pangduna Rasmani Kunjambagi warida ipuna lamjing lamtaktuna puthokliba film asida Nikki Thoiba amadi Romeo Mangang ahumna maruiba mamiroi singoina saktam langli
Miyamna pamnaba magun leiba film soidana oibiu mayamsu soidana mi'ing tabiu hawjik ngasigi taruk shuba amadi aroibu oina thamjariba All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association gi Foundation Day ga mari leinana liklang pareng haina mingthonba isai nongmai gi thoram amuk mi'ing tabiu
All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amobagi Kunma Palak Suba Mapokumon Thoram Tha Sigauki Batang Kunmarida Yamna Harau Tayamna Amadi Mapung Fana Major Khulda Leba Manipur Press Club the Pangthokre Kunaya Sigi Nupi Angang Singa Chathaba Miot Minai Kiagi Mayokta Han Malaitraba Ningan Naba Yaudraba Tauna Amadi Singnaba Magaloina Kongfam Chen Lep Libaluba Sigi Mapo Kumon Toromasiga Madilena Kumja Kudingi Pangtok Pagum Liklang Paring Hana Mingtonba Isai no Magio Toromsu Palace Compound Leba Maharaja Chandagirti Auditorium da Chinglem na Pangtoki
Khuding mera how mai paring diwali bai do mila sanjin gobar thon bukhurumba hari uthan kang jingba hari koloi sagna tha lining parai china tha hari koloi sagna tha joyo joyo radhe govindo radhe
Sa
ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯅ ꯍꯥꯜꯂꯨꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯅ ꯍꯥꯜꯂꯨꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯨꯔꯦ ꯐꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯅꯤ
ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞꯇ ꯈꯨꯊꯤꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ
ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯩꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯈꯪꯉꯝꯗꯦ
ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯨ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯪꯕꯨ ꯊꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯡꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯈꯤ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯦ ꯄꯨꯡꯁꯨꯝ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯩ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯈꯪꯅꯅ ꯅꯪꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯨꯞꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯆꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯍꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ
ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯨꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯂꯨꯔꯦ ꯅꯪꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯂꯨꯔꯦ ꯅꯪꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯇꯒꯤ
ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯏꯅꯥꯁꯤꯔꯦ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅꯤ 이번 뻔날 레전이 돌아할래는 모이세 목한 비로
ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯆꯤꯡꯂꯦꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤ ꯑꯃꯥꯋꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯃꯃꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯅ anniversary wish ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯨꯞꯄꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ And now viewers ngasi gi oinadi matang asida kainanabigi tanja adu lawjege adumakpu aikhogi channel asibu YouTube ta subscribe tawbiduna like nambiba feedback amadi suggestions in comment tawbirambadi matam chuppagi oina kaubigunu pumnamakpu khurumjai